my castle on some grains of sand I gathered up from a foreign land. It looks so pretty, oh, it looks so nice, decorated with some fragrant spice. It stood up tall and it stood up right. You would have thought that it'd have some might, but when the rain came, it washed it all away. I rode a boat across the coast, tried to make the most. Met a man on the shore, and he told me with a grin, war, fear, death, and men, it's all this world's ever been. When the rain comes, it'll wash it all away. Mama, please hold me. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Mama, please hold me. Help me get through the night. So I caught a train to pass the day. Don't know where it's going or what way. Some mountains sharp and valleys low, rivers frozen under snow. Darkness came with mist and night, and the day came with Mrs. Light. And when the rain came, wash it all away. Mama, please hold me. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Mama, please walk with me. Help me get through the night. Delis fell to a mighty wind when the season began to spin. The sun gave way to a starry sky. The nightbird sang with a mighty cry. Then dry land soaked up all the tears. We've been waiting all these years for the rain to come and wash it all away. Wash it all away. For the rain to come and wash it all away. All right, thank you for listening. I'm Liam Callan.
I'm David Reyngoudt.
And this is WTUR On Air.